Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about ChromaDB vector store and how to use it with Keras-NLP package to implement RAG, that is Retrieval Augmented Generation. I have already explained this particular script and its different components in another video. Its link is available in the top right corner. Now, let's see what are the changes that we need to make to use ChromaDB with Keras NLP package. Version of the packages are as shown on the screen. Next change will be in this particular function by the name of retrieve documents. Over here, if you have already created and stored vector embeddings in ChromaDB and that ChromaDB file is available at another location, in that case, you can utilize this particular command where first we will instantiate a client or a ChromaDB object. Then if the file is available at different place on the same machine, then we can provide the database path, that is the file path of ChromaDB. And once the client is instantiated, we can get the collection. Once we have collection object is available, we can use its query method to figure out documents or text which is similar to the query that is being asked. And over here, and underscore results, it means how many relevant documents or text we want to retrieve. Next change will be when we create vector embeddings. Over here, first we are creating ChromaDB client, or let's say ChromaDB object. Then using this particular command, either we will get the collection by the name of document embeddings, and if the collection is already available, we will retrieve it. Then using this command, we will generate the vector embeddings of given sentences or text. And finally, using this particular command, we will store those embeddings into ChromaDB and its specific documents embeddings collection name. Finally, using this generate answer, we will generate the answer. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.